Hi there, Dave Whitehouse here, and it's my privilege to take you through our latest product, the T11. With one body and integral lens tube, T11 is our new manually operated generic profile, Fresnel and PC series. Attained by a fast front lens change, no longer do you need the expense of separate fixtures or differing lens tubes to cover all your generic fixture requirements. Specifically designed for noise-sensitive environments, T11 is the perfect solution for theatres, television studios, corporate events, installations and staging or dry hire companies. With its wide range of applications, T11 is packed with innovation, flexibility and Robe quality. It's designed to fit seamlessly within our T range of fixtures with its identical colour attributes. So let's have a closer look at what makes this product so unique. Weighing just over 15 kilograms, T11 is both stylish and very compact, especially considering its extreme zoom range, being only 653 millimeters long and 320 millimeters high, excluding the yoke. This makes all controls easily accessible. The fixture can be rigged at any angle by attaching a hook clamp to the yoke. The yoke length can be adjusted to take into account limited rigging space, such as on booms. Yoke lock-off knobs are located on either side. At the rear of the fixture, below the onboard control display, is a safety cable attachment point and a grab handle. A gel frame adapter is supplied. On the side you will see white etched numbers and letters for tilt, zoom and focus settings. These are used as references for setup when you need to duplicate fixture settings, for example on tour or recreating previous shows. Power consumption is rated at a maximum of 420 watts. Equipped with an auto-switching power supply, they automatically adjust to any 50 to 60 Hz AC power source from 100 to 240 volts. Power connection is via Neutrik PowerCon True 1 in and out connectors, allowing multi-fixture linear daisy chain connections, the total being dependent on local power supply ratings. DMX and RDM are connected and pass through via standard 5-pin connectors. As an optional extra, we have ePass offering an Ethernet connection. This allows you to connect fixtures on Ethernet lines in a daisy chain fashion using the in and out ports. However, ePass goes one step further. It preserves network integrity even when the fixture has no power by automatically activating an internal bypass switch. This means maintained connectivity. Supporting both RDM and DMX protocols, optional wireless DMX CRMX technology from Lumen Radio is available on request. The on-fixture control panel has a 2-row LCD display with 4 control buttons. There are 8 selectable control modes. The last 3 are specifically for the optional drop-in iris and gobo module. The 5 main modes use up to a maximum of 22 control channels, the optional gobo iris module taking it to 28. For standalone operation, the 4 potentiometers with push-button activation give direct access to intensity, colour temperature, plus and minus green control, which is especially useful for on-location camera work, and the data swatch library of pre-programmed colours. There is also a light on facility, giving instant full output for quick focusing. Although inherently quiet, they feature a quiet mode to give you total control over the fan speed for those special moments. You can also select the fan to stop when the dimmer channel is at 0. Television users may deploy these luminaires with confidence as they contain C-Pulse, our pulse width modulation control system. C-Pulse quickly removes any on-screen flicker. Operated directly from your console, it means you don't need physical access to the fixture. C-Pulse is suitable for the latest HD and UHD cameras. To maintain the light quality of the T series, we have the MSL-TE 350 watt multi-spectral transferable LED engine. Generating 9,500 lumens from the front of the profile lens, 6,660 from the Fresnel, and over 7,100 lumens from the PC. These are punchy fixtures, whichever the type. They feature the same constituent colours of the T1 and T2 to maintain a common colour platform. The transferable engine technology allows fast, easy change of the engine, while still enjoying all the advantages of LED. This also allows us to exploit any future advancement in LED technology as we build considerable headroom in terms of power supply and cooling capacity into all transferable engine equipped fixtures. Transferable engines mean low cost, as opposed to the high cost of a normal replacement engine. This is really an advantage when the engine has come to the end of its life. But don't worry, this won't be soon, as the engine has an L70B50 rating of 40,000 hours and carries a warranty of 20,000 hours or 3 years. The unique transferable engines are designed, developed, patented and manufactured all within our own factory in the Czech Republic. With no reliance on third parties, you have Robe peace of mind and assured longevity, giving an even greater return on your investment. You can easily change the engine yourself in around 5 minutes. No special tools, no return to workshops or agents, or indeed no warranty issues. And with no alignment or calibration required, you'll be up and running in no time. A major advantage of the T11 is the common, singular housing containing the light engine, optics and beam control elements. The standard high-definition optics enables an exceptionally wide zoom range of 5 to 50 degrees for the profile and 5 to 60 degrees for both the PC and Fresnel. The zoom is manually operated by loosening the front knob on the side of the fixture. Moving it forward widens the beam, rearwards narrows it, and it's locked off by turning it clockwise. This approach means you don't need a variety of fixtures, lens tubes, or indeed different definition optics for profiles, saving money and space. The resultant beam in the profile is perfectly flat and even across the field. The focus control is the rear knob, operated in the same manner to attain soft, hard, or any focus in between. The Fresnel version, with its easily recognisable lens, produces that classic soft edge beam, so beloved by theatre designers, while the PC version gives more definition to the beam edge compared to the Fresnel. The front lenses are fully interchangeable. You can purchase lenses separately to transform your fixture into the other types, giving you a 3-into-1 generic solution. To change a front lens, regardless of profile, Fresnel or PC, unscrew the 4 quarter-turn Zeus connectors, disconnect the safety bond and change a lens. It's a quick, easy transformation. The fixtures retain the colour control features and outstanding homogenization qualities of the T series. The T11 features factory calibrated whites for accurate, consistent reproduction. The virtual colour temperature control has a range of 2700 to 8000 Kelvin, allowing very fine adjustment. A virtual colour wheel with data swatch colour software contains 66 pre-programmed colours. You can also add up to 10 custom mixed colours yourself into this library. Important for theatre is tungsten emulation. This simulates the redshift and thermal delay of tungsten lamps from 750 watts to 2500 watts, with whites from 2700 to 4200 Kelvin. This allows you to seamlessly integrate the fixtures within traditional lighting rigs. For television, we have a dedicated plus and minus green correction channel for quick adjustment of green content. A very useful tool for vision mixers when balancing multiple sources. To enhance colour rendition, the virtual CRI control enables you to take the CRI from 80 up to a very impressive 95, thereby ensuring perfect skin tones. This is indeed higher than many specifically designed high CRI engines, made possible by the MSL transferable engine. Colour mixing control options are CMY, RGB or full colour mode. This enables you to select the method you are most comfortable with. When using CMY or RGB, all the engine colours, where possible, are used to maximise gamut coverage. Capitalising on the advantages of additive mixing, the beam is perfectly flat, exceptionally homogenised and uniform in all shades, whatever the tint, with no colour edge distortion or aberration. Our L3 dimming software produces those imperceptible fades to black, essential for use in theatrical settings. This makes the T11 stand out and is a very powerful tool when combined with tungsten emulation. You have a choice of two dimmer curves, square or linear, to suit your needs. To shape the beam, we have controls appropriate to their generic type. The system is an advanced 4 individual plane manual shutter or blade system. As you can see, each blade has a very wide rotational and insert capability. This means we can achieve very fine shutter cuts and positioning, whatever the angle of the fixture to subject. Shutter cuts produce no distorting pillowing effect. The blades are self-locking and firmly held in position. When used with the PC or Fresnel lens, they operate as barn door leaves. However, being internal, they are not prone to be bumped like conventional generic barn doors. Different to old-style generic luminaires, T11s have an onboard frost. These use our MagFrost magnetic paddle system designed for a quick change. There are two frosts available, a very light 1 degree supplied with the Profile and a heavier 5 degree supplied with either PC or Fresnel fitting. To use the frost, simply pull up to insert and push down to remove. You can store spare MagFrosts within the lens tube by attaching them to the magnet provided, so you won't lose them. To enhance your T11s, we have various accessories available. For use in profiles, a static gobo holder and breakup gobo are supplied with the fixture. The gobo is 26.8mm outside diameter of high temperature borofloat glass. We refer to these as R size. In addition, we have an optional pack of general theatrical design gobos available. This gives you a good starting selection of choices. You can see here projection with a breakup gobo. It is flat across the field with no chromatic aberration. With conventional profiles, you're limited to one static gobo. To greatly increase gobo capacity and thereby make T11s a far more creative tool with additional static and dynamic moving gobo capability, we have the optional drop-in gobo and iris module. Installation is straightforward, involving 2 screws and 1 Molex connector. The module contains 3 static and 2 rotating gobos supplied with the module. You can use a static and rotating gobo simultaneously to create even more effects. All gobos use our slot and lock system for fast, easy change. The motorised iris within the module, with its 33mm diameter opening, has 14 segments. It is both smooth and accurate in operation. Other optional accessories include barn doors and gel frames. these are the same size as the Perfect 150. To handle glare, there are top hats available. That's the T11, a single compact integral body with interchangeable front lens for profile, Fresnel and PC. Retains the colour characteristics and light qualities of the T series. Transferable engine for rapid, cost-effective exchange, replacement and to keep up with advancing LED technology. Exceptionally high CRI of 95, comprehensive colour and white light control, onboard data swatch colour library, state-of-the-art high-definition optics with wide-ranging zoom, interchangeable integral magfrost, C-pulse for the latest camera systems, quality engineered for noise-sensitive environments, and optional accessories including a gobo and iris module. T11, the 3-in-1 generic solution. Thanks for watching.